Hey everybody, I'm here in Ridgefield, Washington, where we're going to be taking a look at this 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,900 square foot home built in 2017 and listed for $714,900. That's right, not $715,000, $714,900. So we're going to be doing a quick run through, but before I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see the street here in Ridgefield. Nice little place, not far off Pioneer, so near shopping, near all the stuff you want, Costco, In-N-Out, Chipotle. All right, so what do you say we go inside and have a look? Okay, so the first thing you'll notice is sort of this grand entryway. Really big, bold, definitely makes an impression. We have laminate floors throughout the downstairs area here. If I have to nitpick, I guess I would prefer LVP, but they're nice floors and they're in good condition. So you kind of come in here. Let's go take a look at the garage. Nice 3-car garage, really big. It's got the EV charger, tankless water heater, nice, spacious. Of course, it's in good shape since it's not that old. And that definitely is a bonus. So let's come out here, take a look, kind of an open concept, gas fireplace with some built-ins, a nice mantle there, looks pretty good. And then it comes into this sort of dining kitchen area. Let's take a closer look. You know, the kitchen, you can argue, I mean, the island is, a little bit on the smaller side, but very nice kitchen, gas, range, really nice cabinetry. This is a Kingston Homes build, so kind of a little bit more of a quality build. Let's go take a look at the pantry. I definitely like this feature. It's just nice to have a separate place to have some food storage, and it's pretty ample here. I definitely appreciate that. Let's go take a quick look outside at the patio. And so this lot is pretty big for the area. It's got a pretty big slab here, this concrete slab for entertaining. It's covered, just enough lawn space to play, take the dog out, run around a little bit, fully fenced. So that's really nice. You're not super close to your neighbors. A lot of these new builds. And then the room to possibly garden or do something here. But, a lot of these new builds, you don't see this amount of space between you and your neighbor. So that's that. Let's have a look here. It's got a bedroom down here on the ground level, which is great. If I have to be honest, it's a little bit on the small side. Looks like maybe a 9 by 10 down here, 9 feet by 10 feet closet. And then you have an adjacent bathroom with kind of the step-in shower. That's nice. So if you had like an older relative or family member who needed to be on the ground floor with a bathroom that was pretty safe to use, that would be really good. All right, let's go upstairs here. This is where we are going to find a lot of carpet. And I'm not a super big fan of carpet personally, but let me know in the comments if you are. I'd love to know. And then up here is where you're going to find all the bedrooms. This is actually the bonus room, which is pretty big. This could be a playroom, a double office, a gym, studio, a lot of possibilities for this room. And then in here you have double sink vanity with the tub insert. So, very nice. Nothing like crazy stylistically, but all clean, new, and very functional and nice. Couple of bedrooms here. Again, a little bit on the small side. These also kind of look like maybe 10 by 10 rooms. Not tiny, but not huge. I guess if you're doing a 5-bedroom home, you need to squeeze that square footage in somewhere. Again, about same dimensions here. Closet. It's a bedroom. All right, so let's go check out the other bedroom and the primary. This room's a little bit longer, so this looks more like, maybe 15 by 10, a little bit of a bigger room here. And it's got a bigger closet. So this is definitely a little bit of an upgrade here as far as the bedroom goes. And we are going to go into the utility room. Yeah, very nice to have a room this size for utility, for laundry, for just kind of, doing the business. This is kind of the business end of the home here. And so that's great. Pretty good size primary here. You could also squeeze in kind of an office or a small little workout area. This is pretty big, pretty nice. The view's not too bad. I mean, it's, it's kind of your neighbors, but you're not that close. And then you're going to have the ensuite bath here. A single sink vanity here, kind of a deep soaking tub. That's nice. I like that. But then there's the other sink there. Haha, yeah. That's for the people who can't have the sinks next to each other. Separate. And then you have a toilet, the walk-in closet, which is pretty good size. Let's walk inside here. Yeah, nice. All right, pretty good. And then you have another step-in shower here with the glass doors, classy, clean, nice design, really nice. I like that. So tell me, what do you think? What do you think about this house? You like it? You don't like it? Your cup of tea? Not so much your cup of tea? Let me know in the comments. And if you're looking to buy or sell in Vancouver, feel free to go to dougvarinas.com or go to my link in the description below to just schedule a chat. We can talk about your wants, needs, and desires and go from there. So I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.